How to use ChatGPT to summarize a YouTube video. This tutorial will guide you through the process of summarizing YouTube videos using ChatGPT. Not only you will learn how to extract transcripts from YouTube videos, but you'll also discover how to efficiently summarize the content for easy understanding. This is particularly useful for students, researchers, or anyone looking to quickly grasp the main ideas from video content. So let's get started. As you can see, I already set a sample video and I created a tab for ChatGPT. From this video or the video you selected, scroll down a little until you locate the Show Transcript button. After you locate the Show Transcript button, click it to show the caption of the video. The transcript appears on the right side of the YouTube screen. In the transcript section, click the three dots to open the menu. The menu appears. Just click the Toggle Timestamps button to hide the timestamps of the video. As you can see, the timestamp of the video disappears. Since the timestamp has been removed, highlight all the transcripts of the video like you can see in the video, and right-click and click Copy, or you can press Ctrl+C for the shortcut Copy. Now that you have copied the transcript, let's go to the ChatGPT tab. While we are in the ChatGPT, type Summarize this transcript first, since it's a transcript we are going to paste it by right-clicking and clicking Paste. Or you can press Ctrl+V for the shortcut of Paste. As you can see, it generates the info from the video through a transcript. By following the steps, you can efficiently summarize any YouTube video using ChatGPT. Start by accessing the transcript, prepare it for summarization, and then utilize ChatGPT to create a concise summary. This method not only saves time, but also enhances your understanding of video content. Consider using this technique regularly to keep up with educational or informative videos without investing too much time.